Christmas to everybody out there in the drone community. I hope everyone has a great Christmas. We're out here with the Neo 2, and the Neo 2 is going to be a great Christmas gift for most of you out there. Yes, the Neo 2, it will follow you. We have the Neo 2 right in front of us, following us. This is absolutely amazing. And it has obstacle avoidance. Oh, it is lost to Santa. Okay, she got caught up in the trees. Okay. Yes, oh. Now, that was the first time we've seen that. But let's do another takeoff.
Front right. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's do hand gesture mode. Okay, we're gonna back up with the drone. Oh, hand gesture is just the best with the Neo 2. Yes, hand gesture mode is the best. The kids are gonna love it. Okay, Neo, up. Up. Okay, this way, Neo. Okay, and back over here, Neo. Up, Neo. And down, Neo. Oh, this is so cool. Santa flying Neo 2. Oh. See everyone out there? This is the drone for Christmas. This is the drone for Christmas.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us
It's windy.
Merry
It's
Christmas.
windy. Follow Santa? Can you follow Santa? Come up. Hey! All right. Okay, guys, that was fun. Santa flying the Neo 2. I'm wishing everybody out there a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.